The Purchase Orders module within Acumatica ERP helps you organize and control the purchasing process, plan purchasing expenses, and reduce spending on goods and services. Purchase Order is part of the distribution suite and is fully integrated across Acumatica, including requisitions, accounts payable, inventory, and Nonprofit Plus. In this course, we'll learn how Acumatica automates the purchasing process from issuing purchase orders, receiving orders, even to creating AP bills. The Purchase Orders module gives you complete visibility into the entire purchasing process, from planning purchases to paying the bills. Let's spend a few minutes exploring the different tabs and menus within the module. Your business process may include additional steps, especially if you are managing inventory or using requests and requisitions. So we'll try to stick to explaining the different screens as they are naturally found within the default organization of Acumatica ERP. Generally, the Purchase Orders form will be the starting point for creating a purchase order, and employees can use this form to track its processing. The Purchase Orders form is located on the Work Area section of the navigation pane. If you already have experience in other Acumatica ERP modules, you'll be happy to know that the Purchase Orders module includes all of the same defaulted tabs in the navigation pane: Work Area, Processes, Reports, and Configuration tabs. From the Purchase Orders form, you'll note that Acumatica ERP supports 4 types of purchase orders: Normal, Dropship, Blanket, and Standard. Your organization can define different steps and approvals for each of these document types, but the purchase orders will generally be handled the same way for processing in Acumatica ERP. A purchase order can have many different statuses depending on how your system has been configured to process the form. Each PO can have the status of on hold, canceled, open, and closed. The status of pending approval, pending print, pending email will only apply if your company has configured purchase orders to require additional approvals. We'll discuss the different statuses more in depth when we review module setup and configure purchase orders for use. If a purchase order is being generated from another Acumatica module, such as sales orders or requisitions, you'll be able to create a purchase order from the Processes tab as seen here. You will also be able to print or email the purchase order from this tab. The Reports tab allows you to run various reports on purchase orders and purchase receipts. We'll learn how to use a few of these screens during our examples in this course. The Configuration tab allows us to define additional settings in the module, such as landed cost codes, FOB points, and ship via codes. The Purchase Orders Preferences screen allows us to configure the most general settings such as numbering sequences and expense accounts. We can also define approvals and mailing settings from this screen. In our next few videos, we'll be configuring the module for use and defining additional settings that will allow us to create purchase orders in Acumatica and further automate our purchasing process. Just so that you are aware, we'll be toggling between 2 companies in Acumatica ERP, one that is a blank slate and is being configured, and another which is already up and running with the distribution suite.